As we all are aware that air travel of passengers, both domestic and international, has been prohibited since 25th March 2020. Now, the government has decided that domestic air travel of passengers shall resume with effect from 25th May 2020. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has developed general instructions and detailed guidelines for air travel of passengers and major stakeholders by incorporating necessary safeguards in consultation with experts and stakeholders. In this video, we will be discussing the detailed guidelines to be followed by air passengers, mentioning the movement of passenger from origin to the destination, things to be kept in mind while traveling from origin to airport, social distancing and minimum touch, agreeing to self-declaration form and registering on Arogya Setu app, digital payments and use of authorized taxis, baggage limitations, vulnerable persons are advised to avoid air travel. Ensure web check-in and obtain a boarding pass. Download the baggage tag or the identification number and print it on the bag at a prominent place. Passenger if is not able to print the baggage tag, then they should mention the PNR number on a thick piece of paper and tag it with a strong string. Before entering the terminal, passengers to ensure that they are wearing a mask. Passengers to report at the airport 2 hours before the flight scheduled. Passengers to travel in an authorized taxi or personalized vehicle following the norms specified by Ministry of Home Affairs. During transit to airport, passengers should take care of all precautions to prevent infection. Passengers to certify the status of their health through the Arogya Setu app or a self-declaration form. Things to avoid during traveling from origin to airport. Passengers should not reach late. Passengers should not travel if they are staying in a containment zone. Passengers should not travel if they have been tested positive for COVID-19. If a passenger who is not permitted to fly undertakes an air journey, he shall be liable for penal action. The airlines shall ensure that the boarding pass is issued only after the passenger confirms to the above declaration. In case of a PNR having more than one passenger, the declaration would be deemed to be covering all the passengers mentioned in the PNR. Things to be taken care of while at the airport. Passengers should continue to wear masks throughout the journey. Passengers to get down from the vehicle with the face mask on and with the required documents or e-documents. They should arrive at the thermal screening facility near the entry gate. They should get themselves checked for temperature and display the status of Arogya Setu app to the staff at the entry gate. In case of non-availability of Arogya Setu app, they should be facilitated to go to the counter provided by the airport where the same app can be downloaded. Passengers to show their identity card and boarding pass to the CISF staff at the entry gate. They should proceed to the baggage drop counter and show their PNR to the staff. Electronic receipt shall be sent to the passenger. Please avoid using baggage trolley as far as possible. Passengers to adhere to the social distancing which would be specified at the airports through markings like circle, square or tensor barrier. Passengers to complete the check-in procedure and baggage drop at least 60 minutes before the departure. Guidelines for passengers at the security check-in. Arrangements have been made at airports to guide passengers to walk through the pre-embarkation security screening. Passenger to follow the direction as announced by the authorities and divest of all metal on the body to facilitate the security screening. They should bring only one hand luggage as per specified size allowed by the airlines. Passengers to cooperate with security staff by following the instructions for their own safety and security. Things to be noted in the security hold area. Passengers to proceed to security hold area after screening. While waiting in the security hold area, to maintain social distancing and sanitization protocols. Chairs marked not for use should not be occupied. While going around food and beverages or retail outlets, passengers to be aware of the social distancing and maintain hygiene. Passengers to dispose of all biohazardous material like used masks, gloves, tissues, etc. in the yellow colored disposable bins or bags placed at strategic locations at the airport. Guidelines for passengers while boarding. They should be attentive towards various communication material displayed at the airport about various health advisories related to pre-boarding and during the flight precautions. Passengers to collect the safety kit a 3-layered surgical mask and sanitizer from the airlines near the boarding gate. They should wear the mask and sanitize their hands before proceeding to the boarding gate. They should be attentive towards boarding announcements and reach the boarding queue by following social distancing. Display of ID cards by passengers is a must, and check-in of the boarding pass would be done by the passenger by self-scanning of e-boarding pass. Guidelines for passengers inside the aircraft. During the flight, passengers should strictly follow hygiene and sanitization. Face-to-face interaction to be minimized. Passengers to minimize the use of toilets and avoid any non-essential movement in the aisles. No queuing at the toilets, and only one companion for children and the elderly would be allowed. No meal service in the aircraft. Water bottle to be made available in the galley area or on the seats. Eatables not to be consumed during the flight. No newspaper or magazine will be available. No on-board sale of any item. If the passenger feels uncomfortable, fatigued, or has respiratory distress, it should be brought to the immediate notice of the crew. Guidelines for passengers at the airport to destination. The disembarkation from the airlines would be sequential. Disembark, passengers to strictly follow instructions of the crew. Social distance and sanitization should be maintained at arrival gate, aerobridges, coaches, jet ladders, ramps, etc. Trolleys in the arrival area to be used sparingly, or it is better to avoid the use of trolleys. Passengers to wait at the baggage hold area till the baggage arrives in batches. Transit passengers will not be allowed to come out of the transit area. Passengers to hire only authorized taxis. Passengers to follow social distancing and hygiene while traveling in any mode of transportation. On arrival at the destination, passengers to adhere to health protocols as prescribed by the destination state or union territories. For any other queries, please refer to the websites of Civil Aviation Ministry or Ministry of Home Affairs or Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India.